Hello everyone. In today's tutorial we will learn about the lists, because in Python we have to deal with loads of data. In order to organize that data we need lists to access that data and to print out different things in organized manner. So in order to start we will take a variable name list. You can take any name. So I will open list with a square brackets, and we will write a name in it, which uh, we will take as a reference point for a listing. So first name would be Ali, and I'll take another name Kevin, and we'll take another uh, John, and another would be, take other one as Mark. So I made a list. I took a 4 name in it, and let's print this name. So I will use a print command to print on screen, and close parenthesis, and then I will write a list on it. So it's easy, just press the play button and you will get the list on your output box. So in order to access a specific name, we can do that thing, and for that one, in print command, what we will do, we will use a square bracket, and we will access that number by using a assigned number, by default assigned number by Python. So Ali is by default on 0 number, and Kevin is 1, and John is 2, and Mark would be on 3. So in order to access John, we will have to write number 2. So if we write number 2 and play, then it will display a John on the output window. So we can access different element. We can access a range of, we can set a range to access that amount of element. So to access from Ali to John and to exclude the Mark, what we will do, we will write O, we'll give a ratio sign, and then we will to access till John, we will have to we don't write number 2, we will write number 3, because by default if we write number, and it by default what Python do, it gives you one less for in range. So from 0 to access John, we will write 0 to 3. So if we write 0 to 3 and play it, then we will get in our output from Ali, Kevin and John, and we excluded Mark. So similarly, if we do number 2, then we will get print till Kevin. Yeah, you can see on output. So we can set a range in it. So another thing, we can also add things later in lists. So in order to do that, we will write a list, and we will we will take which name we want to change. Suppose we want to change Mark with a different name. So what we will do, we will choose number 3, because Mark is on number 3. We will replace it with this name. So if you replace with this name, and we will run this, then we will get a Heather instead of Mark. So by this way you can access a list, and you can access a range of lists, and you can access individual list name, and you can also add names later in your list. So in future we will learn more about list, and we will learn more things about lists, how to add things, how you use them in the functions. So till bye bye.